Okay, dear students, questions we will take some series problem. After that, we will move to some reasoning questions based on like alphabets. Okay, so first, suppose question we consider like series problem. Suppose if we choose series problem. Okay, first question is choose if the numbers are 10, 100, 200, 310, then what will be the next number? Yeah, next number one. It is already there. If the options are 400. B is 410, C 420, and D is 430. Then what will be the next number? This question is very easy. Question very easy, হয়. So এটা এটা pattern আছে. See, every questions of number series or series problems or some problem based on alphabets that will be based on some pattern. কিছুমান pattern থাকে. এটা ধৰি লওক যে first number টো আমি 10 দিলো, next number টো আমি 100 দিলো। আমি যদি 200 দিলো, the number one is this, the fourth number, and the last number we don't know. Okay, suppose we choose this number is obtained like 90 plus 10. Suppose we ধৰি ললো the next number is obtained like 100 plus 90, 190 plus 10. Can we write like this? আমি লিখিব পাৰো নে? Okay, or this number is obtained 200 plus 90 plus what 290 plus 10 plus 10. So how we are getting? So there are some numbers we are getting, and this number is in this form. So suppose we are 310. Okay, so 310 is there. We are adding this 90. So what is the next numbers? So we will add some 10 plus 10 plus one more 10. See here there are two 10. 10 one tens. So there are three tens. It means কিমান হ'ব এইটো 430, 430. So we get 430. Which one is? So option D. D is correct. এনেকুৱা ধৰণে আমি কিছুমান কুৱেশ্যন কৰিব পাৰোঁ। আকৌ কৈছো 10 আছে, আমি এইটো 90 প্লাছ 10 ব্ৰেক কৰিব পাৰোঁ। চ' এই নাম্বাৰটো যিটো আছে 100 এইটো ল'লোঁ, 100 প্লাছ 90 ল'লোঁ প্লাছ 10, এইখিনিকে আমি ইউজ কৰি আছোঁ। ঠিক আছে, চ' এতিয়া কি আছে? Here we have again 310. This can be written is with this with the help of addition of 200 plus 90 plus 10 plus 10. ঠিক আছে, আমি 20 বুলি লিখিব পাৰোঁ, 10 into 2 লিখিব পাৰোঁ। ঠিক আছে, so in this case we can write 310 plus 90 plus 10 into 3 also we can write. That means we are getting this 430 as the correct number. Okay, okay. So in the next question we are interested in finding again some problem based on number series is so dear students, these are very basic and important questions which are been asked in many competitive examinations. So if you are really focused on these questions, then this will help you to gain some marks in some competitive examination. So suppose some question like, suppose we have 10, 22, 46, 94. Then what will be the next number? Options are 180, B is 184, C is 190, D is 140. So there are some options are there. We will find how the next fifth term is obtained. এনেকুৱা যিবোৰ questions থাকে, the questions which are asking about this position, always this kind of problems follow some pattern. এটা pattern কিছুমান থাকে, So first of all, you will see like, okay, first one is 10 is there, 22 is there. Can you like write like this? 10 plus 2 is 20. This is 2. There is 46 is there. Previous number. Previous number. 22 into 2. You know, 44 plus 2 is 46. So next is 94. 46 into 2. It is like 92 plus 2. The next number is 94 into 2 plus 2. You know, 94 is 188 plus 2. It is 190. That means your option C is correct. 190. Is not it? This will be 190. C is. So whenever you will see, this problem will look like very, hard. But whenever you will find some clue, এই নাম্বাৰবোৰৰ মাজত ক্লুটো বিচাৰিব লাগিব। কি ক্লু বা কি আইডিয়া দিয়া আছে? চি আই ডিবোৰে যেনেকৈ ক্লু বিচাৰি থাকে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ। এইটোৰ পিছত এইটো কানেকশ্যন বিচাৰিব লাগিব। কানেকশ্যন বিচাৰিলেহে আমি সেই ইয়াৰ পাছৰ নাম্বাৰবোৰ কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ হ'ব তাৰ পেটাৰ্ণটো আমি ধৰিব পাৰিম। চ' দেটছ ৱাই দিছ টাইপ অফ কুৱেশ্যনছ আৰ ভেৰি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট in recruiting any person in any particular uh, in any particular department, so that the persons who will be recruited in any department, they must have some competitive mindset or qualitative aptitude, or whatever you say, like aptitude mindset, or they must have some logical mindset to solve any particular type of problem that they may face in their department. Now we are moving up to the next question, and this question is like, the problem is why I don't use duster. I have two dusters, but this duster doesn't, dusters don't, remove these marks well. That's why I use cotton. এইটো মোৰ পুৰণা চোলা হয়, এইটো অকণ কটনৰ হয়, সেইকাৰণে ইউজ কৰি যাতে অলপ চাফা হৈ যায়। So that's why I use this type of clothes, so that the board gets little bit, thinner than those dusters. So suppose we have another question like this. If there are some patterns whose values are given like this, 16 plus 2 we get 16, 20 plus 4 we get 40, 24 plus 8 we get 96. Then what is the value of 15 into 6? The values are given like this: 45, B is 60, C is 90, D is 30. Okay, so we are asked to find what is the value of 15 plus 6 if we have this type of relations. Now you see, so there are some patterns in this lines or in this clues. What do you see? Equation number কি থাকিব 16 আমি এনেকৈ চাব পাৰো নেকি? সরি বেলেগ একো কানেকশন নাই। 16 plus 2 কেতিয়াও 16 হ'ব পাৰে নেকি? মানে কি বুজিব পাৰো? 16 plus 2 মানে 18 হ'ব, 18 minus 2 এইটো হ'ব পাৰে, বাট 24 plus 4 24 হ'ব, minus 4 কৰিলে 20 হ'ব, বাট এইটো ইয়াত মিলিব। So we have to find some another type of pattern that may be used in this format. So what it can be? Suppose we have basically the thing is that it is like we are getting 16 here. Multiplication লগত যদি connection কৰিলে 16 into 1 ৰ লগত connection হ'ব পাৰে. So in that case what we can have? We have 2, that 2 is divided by 2, so that 16 into 1 whose values is 16. ইয়াৰ লগত connection হ'ল নে? Now you see 20 plus 4, what we require is 40, that must be required 40. So you see 20 into 4 is there, these numbers are fixed. These numbers are changing because here 2 is there, 4 is there, but the fixed number is 2. We are dividing every number by 2 so that we get this is 40. You see, so this number is 40. You see. So similarly, you can say 24 plus 8 is 24 into 8 divided by 2. What do you see? 24 into 4. There is 96, you know. This is 96 is obtained. Then what you may have? 15 into 6, that means 15 into 6 divided by 2. That means you can get 15 into 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That means you are getting 45. This is 45. Your option A is. Your option A is correct. Understood? So this is why this type of questions is very important in any department or in any for any um, for any aspirant who is interested in joining in any department, because every aspirant, whenever he is going to join in any department, he must have some competitive mindset, aptitude, aptitude skills, or he or she must have some logical reasoning or capability. So these are some basic important things. Okay, so we are moving to some another problem, which is which will be giving you some another kind of insights or some idea. Uh, okay, so I think this problem, I think you have understood this problem. So we have another problem, and the problem is fill up the blank. SCD. Okay. So there are some patterns. That is one pattern আছে, আমি pattern বোৰ follow কৰিম, ঠিক আছে? কেইটামান letter আছে। Meaning থকা নথকা কথা নাই, but we have some set of letters. U Z H V I Z W K L C M N B U Z I C V I Z D I Z E. Okay. What is our target basically? So this is a problem, and that problem is based on some letters. That means whenever there is a problem based on letters, that means it's a logical question, so that will be connected with all the alphabets like A B C D up to Z. So in that case, first of all, you will try to, in a small piece of paper, মানে বহিখনৰ সাইডতে ABCD টো লিখি ল'বা। তেতিয়া বেছি ইজি হ'ব, নহ'লে তুমি এটা কানেকশ্যন কৰিব নোৱাৰিবা। এটা বেছি ইজি হৈছে, এটা লিখি ল'লে এই কুৱেশ্যনটো বিশেষকৈ, especially this question is very easy. Why? Because you see there is a pattern. S T U, definitely this must be V. And S T U V W. So there is a pattern A B C D. But so that's why this question is very easy. Even though you don't require to put A B C D here, but in general cases you cannot find very easily um, this type of problem. So that's why you have to write A B C D up to Z, so that you can find a connection between any two letters. So in this question, it's again I'm saying that macrobar question, যে এই questionটো চাবলৈ বৰ easy হৈ আছে। First letter to S start হৈছে, S T U V, মানে S T U V W X, ওকে, মানে গোটেইখিনি যদি মই চিৰিয়েলি যদি নিলিখোঁ W X Y Z, ঠিক আছে, তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কি দেখিলোঁ? এই ফাৰ্ষ্ট লেটাৰটো এছ হ'ল, নেক্সট লেটাৰ ইউ সৰি এছ টি নেক্সট লেটাৰটো এইটো হ'ব লাগে ঠিক আছে এইটো যেনিবা নাই চাপ'জ দিয়া নাই এইটো তাৰ পিছৰ লেটাৰটো ডাব্লিউ আছে ডেট মিনছ দিছ blank letter will be started from V. So that's why your answer is V. Sorry, this one. V. It U hoy, it V. So this is the correct option. Otherwise, in other questions, correct, you have to write all the ABCD and then you have to find what is the relation between the two numbers or two letters. Okay. 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 So we are moving to the next question, and the next question is very interesting actually. Zero, it mean nazano. We don't know. 8, 15, and 24. Okay? So we will have some more terms, but A number to liable. A, 1, 2, 5. This question was asked in SSC, CPU, SI 2003. It was basically it was a PYQ or previous year question. So now you see, again I'm saying, whenever you are interested in finding some relation of series problem of numbers, so in that case you will write the numbers. See, we don't know, so you write X here. In the next number we have 8, the next number we have 24. So is there any relation between these numbers? Is there any relation between 0 and X, X and 8, 8 and 15, and 24 and 15? So we can write basically 24 minus 5. What we can have? That this will be 9. That means here plus 9 is difference. Or we can say when 9 is added to 15, you can get 24. Okay, no problem. So this, sorry, you cannot write here, sorry. So this will be, here you can write. No. How you will write? It is a better way to write. So there will be a better way to write this problem. You can write like this. 15 plus 9 is very better. 15 plus 9, we are getting 24. Okay, no problem. So now you will see. That means from here to there, plus 9 is difference. But you see here, what is the difference up to here? Plus 7 is there. That means this is a previous number. It is coming to here. This is a previous number. You can join here. So in this with this number, whenever you are adding 7, you are getting 15. That means to get 8, you must add X. You see, what you will see. Plus 9 is there. ইহঁত দুটাৰ মাজত 9 ডিফাৰেন্স আছে, ইহঁত দুটাৰ মাজত 7 ডিফাৰেন্স আছে, ইহঁত দুটাৰ মাজত কিমান হ'ব লাগিব? 5 ডিফাৰেন্স থাকিব লাগিব। হয় নাই? 5 ডিফাৰেন্স থাকিব লাগিব। হয় নাই কথাটো? 5 ডিফাৰেন্স থাকিব লাগিব। যদি এনেকুৱা হয়, এতিয়া আমাৰ কি পালো? এটা ইকুৱেশ্যন নাপালো জানো? 8 plus 8 equals to x plus 5 পালো নে? মানে কি পালো? 8 equals এইটো পালো নে? মানে x ৰ ভ্যালুটো 3 পালো। সো ইহঁতৰ মাজত ডিফাৰেন্সটো কিমান থাকিব লাগিব? 3 থাকিব। এই নাম্বাৰটো 3 হ'ব লাগিব। এই নাম্বাৰটো। ইয়াত যদি আমি 3 বহাই দিওঁ, 3 plus 5 itu 8 নহ'বনে? That means x equals to 3 হ'ব লাগিব। আৰু ইয়াত অপচন কি আছে? 3। ঠিক আছে? So D3 is the right option. আৰু অকণমান ধ্যান দিব লাগিব আৰু কোনটো কেনেকৈ কৰিব লাগে। সদায় নাম্বাৰ থাকিলে ইটো সিটোৰ লগত কানেকশ্যন বিচাৰিব লাগিব। অ'কে? I mean, next question. So we are interested in moving to the next question. Okay. আৰু এটা ইণ্টাৰেষ্টিং কুৱেশ্যন আমি কৰিম এইটো কুৱেশ্যন আমি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন আমি আগতে এবাৰ কৰিছোঁ প্ৰিভিয়াছ ভিডিঅ' চাই দেখিব এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কুৱেশ্যন আমি কৰিছোঁ আগতে 265 7 59 12 53 দুটা এইকেইটাত কি হ'ব ডেফিনেটলি দুটা নাম্বাৰ দিছে ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটা ইয়াত বহিব এটা ইয়াত বহিব এইটো অৰ্ডাৰ মানে কমা দি লিখিব পৰা যায় কেলে কৈছে অপচনটো কেনেকৈ দিছে 15 এইটোৰ কাৰণে 15 এইটোৰ কাৰণে 42 বি অপচনত দিয়া আছে 17 and 45 চি কাৰণে কি দিয়া আছে 17 47 ডি কাৰণে কি দিয়া আছে 18 and some 15 cents. Okay, no problem. We have some options like this. Okay. So now you see, I'm again telling you that every set of numbers, it is actually not a set. It's a some kind of some kind of sequence, but it doesn't follow definitely some property. It will follow some property when suppose মই ধৰি লৈছো যে এই যিকেইটা নাম্বাৰছ আমি দুটা ভাগত ভাগ কৰিছো we are separating these numbers into two different type of set বা two different type of structures like first into the structure into the structure into the structure then this is a structure okay I'm saying suppose this one is like x and this one is y 2 7 15 sorry 12 and this is some x okay and this will be 65 59 53 and this is y now the thing is that the question is asked a question to আমাক x আৰু y ভ্যালু কিটা লাগে প্ৰথমৰ যেটো ওলাব ভ্যালু হেতু ইয়াত বহিব সেকেন্ডটো যেটো ওলাব হেতু ইয়াত বহিব that means x আৰু y ভ্যালু লাগে কানেকশন চাব লাগে 7 কেনেকে পাব পাৰা ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালে প্লাস 5 যদি 2 প্লাস 5 7 7 প্লাস 5 12 ইয়াত কিমান হ'ব লাগিব প্লাস যদি 5 হৈ যায় এটো কিমান হ'ব 12 plus 5 17 হ'ব জানো এটা চাব লাগে যে 17 ক'ত ক'ত আছে so there are two options having 17 in x position or first position so our options may be this one or this one okay so 50% of the problem is solved next one you see এইটো বাহি বাহি গৈ আছে the numbers will বাহি বাহি গৈছে that means it is increasing ascending order but in this pattern the numbers are in decreasing order or descending order কিমান হ'ব 59 আৰু এটো কিমান হ'ব -6 59 okay -6 okay so you see here every number is decreasing by -6 so ইয়াৰ পৰা যদি -6 কৰি দিয়া যায় 53 को -6 7 that's what 47 here you will get 53 -6 you are getting 47 okay so that means your option becomes 17 and 47 which is one right this one so therefore C this one is easy so I think this must be easy so this is how we solve this kind of problems in our competitive examinations but whenever you will practice this kind of problem repeatedly then it will be very easy to understand I even though whenever I'm teaching it may be taking some 2 minutes 4 minutes 5 minutes but whenever you will repeat, practice this kind of problem very repeatedly, it will take 30 seconds, 20 seconds. দেখিয়ে গম পাবা যে এইকেইটা এইটো নাম্বাৰ আছে, ডাঙৰকেইটা ডাঙৰ ভাগে ৰাখিলো, সৰুকেইটা সৰু ভাগে ৰাখিলো, that means we can separate it. There is only 5 difference, so this will be 17. That means these two options will be cancel out. মানে যিকেইটা হ'ব নোহোৱাকেইটা আগতে কেনচেল কৰি দিব লাগে। এই দুটা আনসাৰ নহয়, গতিকে অপশ্যন বি আৰু চি ভিতৰতে হ'ব। নেক্সট টু গেলাত চাইটো হ'ব। So answer will be easily available. Okay. Okay. So we have more problems. I think these problems are very easy to you also. Okay. My board is little bit smaller. My board is অলপ সৰু, সেইকাৰণে ইমান বেছি লিখিব পৰা নাই। Anyways, so এবাৰত এটাই problem solve কৰি দিছো। So I have two more problems, okay? 57 samples. So here again I have a problem, and that problem is reasoning problem of word problem. Reasoning of word problems. When your RID is written as LNBE and ACLP is written, then ACLB is written by how? কেনেকৈ লিখিব পৰা যায়? We have some options. Sorry. Okay. As I told before, that this kind of problems, whenever to solve this kind of problems, first of all you try to write ABCD in short quickly. A B C D E F G H J K L O P Q R S T V W X Y Z. Okay. Now you see position of this RID. First of all, you try to find the position of these numbers. First of all, R, this one. 16, 17, 18. 18 position আছে. I do 8, 9. 9th position আছে. D is in 4th position. E is in 5th position. Now these numbers are connected with L and B. L or position to কি হয়? 12. N or position to 12, 14. B position to 2. E position to same. 3. Now you see what is the connection between the positions. You see, for the first case there is -6 down or decreasing. Second position of yes, position increased to 5th position, plus more or 5 more position is upgraded. But in this case, for the third case, 2 position is down, and in this case no position is changed. That means you see what is our requirement. HELP. See, first of all, লাষ্টৰ পজিশনৰ কথা ডিসকাস কৰোঁ। লাষ্টৰ পজিশনটো যেটো P আছে, এই P টো তো ডাইৰেক্ট P লে যাব, so no change of position is there. That means option may be either this position or either these two cannot be, sorry, N, I, N, P. So that means there are three positions are there which may be your answer. That only this option is not possible because you see he will be definitely going to P. That means I mean gute gute quiz saboi lagibo নহলে answer to liabo nora. Okay. So see A's position is 8. E is 5th position. L or position to কি হল তোমাৰ 12. এটা নকৰিলে হ'ব because last position will be fixed. Now you see যদি 6টা position যদি minus কৰি দিয়া যায় that means 8 minus 6 যদি কৰি দিমি 2 হ'ব position wise কৈছো দেই নাম্বাৰ কথা কৈছো second positionত কি হ'ব লাগিব b হ'ব লাগিব to be a b you see this b and d may be the correct options. In that case this cannot be your answer. So that means there are only two positions are left. Okay. Now you see E plus 5. 5 plus 5. 10th position of two numbers. 8, 9, 10, Z. Z. এইটো কারেক্ট হবো বাকি তো নকৰিলেও হ'ব এইটো এনেও হ'বই because you see second position at B A so this cannot be answered. That means only D is the correct option. So similarly if you want to go this will be P as well. It is 12 আছে minus 2 বুলি কৈ দিয়া 10 হ'ব again 10 will be Z. That means your answer B Z Z P. Which one is? D is correct option. D is correct. Am I clear? So this type of problems are done in this way. Okay. So I have one more questions. It's very important and very easy and few, this question has been asked in some competitive examinations. Okay. One more question, okay? So again we have a problem and that problem is also connected like what reasoning question and reasoning question is based on letters D, E, and D. So this number or this word DUMB is written as very easy. This question is very easy. A question to boy easy. Kenege. Pattern to the compile. If we understand the pattern, then this problem is very easy. How? You see. DUMB is there. BOND. Then what is the mean? How we can write RUST? You see, in these two letters, in the middle letters are smaller. Small letters. In fact, in this also, small letter. And the first letters are capital letters. Okay? Okay. So you see, first case of গোটেইকেইটা লেটাৰছতে ফাৰ্ষ্ট আৰু লাষ্ট ফাৰ্ষ্ট আৰু লাষ্ট ফাৰ্ষ্ট আৰু লাষ্ট গোটেইকেইটাতে capital letter আছে. So every option is following this first property or capital property. Now you see whether in each of the cases, যদি এইটো small letter দেই, whether in each of the cases মাজৰ দুটা মানে মাজৰ দুটা যিটা letter আছে middle letters are small or not. In first case you see capital letter small letter, so this cannot be our answer. এখানে লিখিছো দেই, it is not. Only E is a small letter because we require two letters that must be small. Okay, ইয়াত দুটা letter থাকিব capital আৰু এইকেইটা small letter. সেইটো হ'ব নোৱাৰে, এইটো same. First letter, second letter is a small letter, but third letter is a capital. So this cannot be. But in this case, you see, first and last is capital letter, and the middle terms, middle letters are small. So D is option. WORK is right option. Okay. So these are some problems that I have discussed in this class. So in previous class, I think some sound problem was there. So I hope you understood this problem. If you have any query, let me know. Okay, thank you.